Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use the Python PyShark library. PyShark is a Python wrapper for TShark. It allows us to use Python to for packet parsing using wireshark dissectors. So first, we need to install PyShark. We can use a pip on terminal, pip install PyShark, and just hit enter. So we are done installing it. Now we can use it in our code. You can open editor of your choice, and then we need to import first PyShark, and then we are going to capture by using PyShark live capture. And here you need to set the interface. For my system, it is ETH0. At the same time, I'm going to save this file. And now we are going to use a for loop. Get the packet and capture, sniff continuously. And set the packet count 5, and then we are just going to print packet capture and print the packet. Now we're just going to save it and run it. Need to fix the spelling over here. C is missing. And now we can just type. First, I'm just going to clear the terminal and type Python and the name of our script, PyShark demo.py, and hit enter. And here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.